respectful regards to the Guru, Mridula Rai, the dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, the parents of Pavitra, Sri Harisudan and Geeta, dear friends. It's a very special moment for the teacher, the student, and the parents. As the Air Marshal said, it's like a wedding, marriage of the daughter, where the family has to conduct, but here the girl herself has to conduct. And I, as a teacher, knows how difficult it is to sit here and control. And at some point, it goes beyond our control. And that is totally in the hands of the Shishya. Here I should specially congratulate Mridula for training Pavitra with so much of confidence and also giving her lot of more than Arangetram, because the Varnam which she has chosen was such a heavy piece which I usually see the professional dancers perform. It's a very complicated piece for a dancer with very strong Trikala Jadi, and I am sure Mayavaram Sri Vishwanathan, who is a very renowned mridangist from Chennai and who has been part of my orchestra also with the Vidwan. He has composed this with so much of clarity, and actually this is not meant for a child of this beginning stage to perform. And I should congratulate Pavitra for handling this Varnam with good sense. She has a long way to go, but she has approached it with confidence, and all the Jadis, but with so much of Kanaka which only the dancers can understand how difficult it is. And I also know how much Vishwanathan will give. He is such a complicated person. He will only give avlo Kanaka, full of Kanaka which we dancers go through, and which all the Jadis were highly complicated. And I also like to appreciate that Mridula had choreographed this complicated Jadi to suit Pavitra. That is the talent of the Guru. My Vadya Madhu Sagraj master will always tell that Patra Maranya Bhiksha Podana. That how much the student can take. Even the complicated Jadis she has choreographed in a way that Pavitra could perform with ease and beautifully. And also I should say that when I landed here today morning, first thing I asked Pavitra's mother was, what is she going to do? Is she going to continue with her dancing, or what is her idea? She said she wants to take medicine, Ayurveda, which is so indigenous to India. And it is our culture, our heritage. I'm so happy that Pavitra will be continuing her dance after her Arangetram also, because I have seen many Arangetrams. I have seen Arangetram eppadiyavathu 12th ku munadi padichu aadi mudichudnam. That is the only aim of the parents, that Arangetram mudichacha Bharatanatyam padichu mudichacha. So it is just the beginning stage. She is only in the first step of the ladder. And I am so happy that parents are very clear that she will continue her dance. She has got a beautiful teacher who is giving. So she should continue, and Ayurveda will help her to understand our culture and heritage into deeper sense. And I like to congratulate the accomplished artists, Vidwans of this evening, especially the singer Sri Kishore Kumar was a very strong voice and highly talented artist. I should say the usually Nangala Aragetrathaka orchestra, when we fix orchestra, it is so difficult to choose the orchestra because if we go rumba strong orchestra vacha, how the child will be able to take it. அது ரொம்ப தூக்கிடுமா இல்ல டான்ஸ் இதாயிடுமான்னு ரொம்ப பயப்பட்டு we have to balance both. But today it was, even though it was such a strong orchestra, uh, everything blended so well, and Kishore Kumar, I should congratulate him for very strong and the balance கொடுத்ததுக்கு. And I once again congratulate Vishnu. I call him Vishnu. And I never knew that he can also, he's a Vagiyakara. I didn't know about it. When they announced it is his Kriti, I asked by gesture that, is it you who did it? And he said yes. Because I have seen him choreographing lot of jatis for all the prominent dancers in Chennai. But this is the first time I am listening to his composition, but very beautifully written. And I was wondering, Patta Avadaram, how he is going to incorporate in a Varnam format. Because every Avadaram is important. And in a Varnam format, how he is going to incorporate. But very beautifully, Nala Avadaram till Charanam and R Avadaram after Charanam. Very beautifully did the partition. Very well. I really congratulate Vishnu for this beautiful Kirtanam or Varna format. I am waiting to see more of your Kritis, and I am sure this will be performed by other dancers also in Chennai. We have been on violin Sri Muthukumar, Veena Palakkad Sri Baiju, and flute Sri Vasant, who all supported the artists today. And it was such a great feeling to see the harmony between the orchestra. And I pray to Swami, my Lord, Padmanabha Swami of Travancore, that give Mridula all his blessings to grow many more students. I heard that she has 300 students. Every student is like our own daughter. I am also a Kutti Guru. So I know that every student is special to us. And each one is very dear to you. And as a teacher, I am telling you, teacher can never be partial. How they are 5 to 1 mother, the children are all same to the teacher. So I am sure Mridula will bring room many more students. And Swami will give a lot of strength. And I'm coming to Chennai, Coimbatore the second time for Aragetram. I'm seeing quality dancers, lot of quality dancers coming up in Coimbatore. And they all perform with so much of dedication. I'm so happy that we always say that when you're in Chennai, that that you have the positive energy where all the artists excel there. But that same positive energy I see here in Coimbatore also. And I'm sure more and more dancers will come up in Coimbatore. And I also pray that Pavitra will do many more programs and she will be a dancer forever. Because it is only by God's blessing that you continue to be a dancer. It is parents. A dancer has to be very fortunate. A girl has to be very fortunate to be born in a family where through the parents, you get the talent. You cannot buy art. You cannot. It has to come through your blood. You have to be born with the art. And we are very few people who are so blessed that we are born with the art. And parents and the art kodutha mattum poradhu, and it is such an expensive affair that dance has become, that they have to cherish the child to find a good teacher, Through the Guru, she finds good art and she learns good art. And it is again her passion and her dedication and her determination to continue her dancing, because from 19 to 2001 I couldn't dance in spite of all the eagerness I had, but just I couldn't perform or I couldn't even watch dance. So it is your passion, it is your determination and your hard work which will give back your art to you. I'm sure if she's passionate at any situation, she will continue to dance. And it is never late to come back to dance, because I just started dancing for the past 6-7 years, and I'm very lucky that, and God has been very kind that the welcome was there and I could perform. So I wish, being a doctor with all the degrees and practice in her midst of her busy schedule, she will continue to perform, and she should have this passion will continue for her. And I also congratulate the parents who have taken this effort. As the previous speaker said, it is a mini Kalyanam, almost a Kalyanam. And Aragedram is meant for the parents. As a daughter, whenever a child is on the stage, I look at the father, It's so much of proud, it's so much of other pride moment. Parents, I didn't see Geeta at all, but I could see Advocate Harisudhan with so much of pride that he was standing there and looking at his daughter. Below effort, that is what it pays. And I also thank them for inviting me today and bringing me here. And I also thank the lady who has been very kind with words about me. And I thank all of you. It's nice to come back to Coimbatore. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the soft, beautiful and attractive speech. Thank you very much, ma'am. We are all honored. Now we request Srimati Gopika Verma to present a memento to the Guru Vidushi Srimati Mridula Rai. Makeup man Shri Mr. Madhu. Mr. Madhu is requested to come to the dais, please. Mr. Madhu. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Mr. Haris then will present the mementos to the costume designer, Sri Raghu, to the sound engineer, Sri Krishnan, Mr. Krishnan, sound and lighting. And next to Mr. Murali, video and photography. Mr. Murali. Now, Srimati Mridula Rai will present a memento to Ms. Pavitra.